Welcome to Disha Fashion Institute. Today we will do an exercise to draw a color wheel. At first draw a circle like this. Then divide in 12 equal parts. You can follow this method. At first, draw a circle using a compass. Remember not to change the radius of the compass after drawing the circle, as it will be required later. Then, draw a horizontal line which will go through the center of the circle. Similarly, draw a vertical line which will go through the center of the circle. Mark the touching points between the lines and the circumference as A, B, C and D. Now, without adjusting the radius, use the compass to draw arcs from each of the points A, B, C and D. Mark each points starting from 1 to 12. Now join the opposite points going through the center, which will finally divide the circle in 12 equal parts. Let us fill the primary colors: red, yellow and blue. The sections where you are filling the primary colors should have 3 box gaps between each others. Now we will mix the primary colors to get the secondary colors. We will mix yellow and blue to make green, yellow and red to make orange, red and blue to make violet. Now we will mix the secondary colors with primary colors to get the tertiary colors. We will mix violet and blue to get purple, violet and red to get magenta, red and orange to get vermilion, orange and yellow to get umber, yellow and green to get yellow-green, green and blue to get blue-green. I know it is difficult to remember. We are showing this by filling the colors in the wheel. At the end, we will provide you a chart. You can make a similar chart. This will make it easy to remember. Keep a screenshot of these color charts. It contains the color combinations for all 3 color palettes: the primary colors, the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors. These color charts will be handy for you when you will draw the color wheel or decide a color combination of a dress. You are requested to support our channel by subscribing our channel. Do give us feedback in the comment section, positive and negative both. Let us know in which topic of fashion designing you want us to make a video. Your today's task will be drawing a color wheel in the same way as shown in the video. Then take a picture of the color wheel you have drawn and post the same in the comment section.